How to add new keyboard on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to General as shown. Then, scroll down and go to Keyboard. You can manage all your keyboard settings from here. Tap on Keyboards at the top. You can choose a keyboard from here. If you want to add a new keyboard, then tap on Add New Keyboard below. Over here, scroll down to explore all the keyboard languages available. Search for or select the language that you want. For example, Japanese. And then, choose the version of the language. After that, tap on Done at the top right. You have now successfully added this language to your keyboard languages. Following these steps, you can easily add new keyboard on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.